To protect your timber decking against harsh weather conditions and abrasive foot traffic, you need a long-lasting, high-performance decking oil. Look no further than Intergrain UltraDeck Timber Oil. Its natural-looking finish guards against everything the weather has to throw at it and can withstand all those barbecues and parties on the deck. In this video, we'll show you just how easy it is to prepare and coat your timber deck for superior protection that lasts 3 times longer than oil-based decking oils. But first, here's what you'll need. Intergrain UltraDeck Timber Oil, we're using the Merbau colour, Intergrain UltraPrep Timber Cleaner, Intergrain DeckBrush, a bucket, flat blade stirrer, stiff bristle brush, high pressure hose and your safety gear. Start by mixing 1 part UltraPrep Timber Cleaner to 4 parts water in a bucket. Start by wetting the deck with water. Apply the mixture generously to the timber with a stiff bristle brush. Scrub vigorously and leave for 10 to 15 minutes, but never allow it to dry. Then rinse off using maximum pressure from a garden hose or a high pressure water cleaner. Allow the timber to thoroughly dry before applying your oil. And now for the star of the show. UltraDeck Timber Oil is designed never to flake, blister or peel and helps prevent warping, cupping and splitting. Start by stirring the oil thoroughly before and during use with a flat blade stirrer. Then using your applicator, brush or spray, generously apply the water-based oil to the deck. Intergrain's DeckBrush is designed for maximum pickup, meaning you can carry more oil so you get the job done faster with less trips to and from the bucket. Plus its long filaments are perfect for getting between the boards. The UltraDeck ranges have advanced water-resistant technology which enables you to coat in any season between 5 and 35 degrees and up to 85% humidity. So if you're looking for a superior protection for timber decking, go with a timber oil that lasts 3 times longer than oil-based decking oils. Intergrain UltraDeck Timber Oil.